I'm back at the Mimaki Demo Center in Flowery Branch, Georgia. And I want to talk about why this unit is such a compelling printer, especially for shops looking to increase speed, expand applications, and simplify their workflow. Introducing the new UJV200 Series, a UV LED printer that gives you the speed, quality, consistency, and the value you've been looking for. It's the easiest, low-risk way to transition from water-based inks to UV. With comparable speeds, ease of use, it's not about changing what you sell. It's about removing the delays those other ink types create. You keep the familiar roll-to-roll, but you eliminate the drying, the waiting, outgassing, and also unlocking the UV benefits like whites in clear ink. And of course, instant curing. Every non-UV print shop has the same story. Print the job, then wait. Wait to dry, wait to outgas, wait to laminate, or wait to cut. That waiting limits your same-day response to jobs, slows throughput, and greatly bloats your scheduling. The UJV200 removes that waiting entirely. With UV printing, prints come off fully cured and ready to finish immediately. There is no waiting. That means same-day laminating, cutting, and installation will become your new normal. This is a workflow upgrade, not a market shift. Customers who already sell vinyl, posters, wallpaper banners, stickers, etc. But now with the UJV200, they sell exactly the same products, but faster, with fewer reprints, greater predictability, and a higher value. The UJV200 was designed with simplicity and familiarity in mind. If you go around other ink type printers, you can easily run the UJV200. It keeps those familiar controls and roll-to-roll footprint for ease of use. Uses the Mimaki 330 print engine head, so you know you are getting the speed and the quality the 330 print technology is known for industry-wide. It is intentionally designed to feel like a natural upward evolution, but with the added ability to create a whole new and faster workflow. The UJV200 features Mimaki's built-in advanced automated image processing technologies to help create the first time, every time prints without the need or waste of testing and reprinting. This means less setup time, less media waste, and a consistent quality, even with white ink. And unlike other printer types, the UJV200 has no limitations on white. You can print white undercolor, white overcolor, or color white color all day long without pullback, while still delivering the same color vibrancy and density. The new Mimaki ELS 170 inks meet or exceed the stringent European REACH chemical requirements. So not only are the inks better for you and the environment, but they keep the same vivid color gamut and superior weather and scratch resistance that other ink types simply can't match. Because jobs come off the printer ready to laminate, cut, or ship immediately, this dramatically shortens production times and keeps workflows moving. So now you can say yes to those same-day turnarounds. Stickers are one of the strongest crossover applications. With other ink types though, it's print, wait, then cut. With the UJV200, it's print and cut immediately. Coupled with the Mimaki Advanced Cutting Plotter Series, the UJV200 becomes a high-throughput sticker production system. The ID cut function in Rasterlink 7 links printers and cutters together, using barcode marks allowing them to automatically match and process the very same print and cut data for fast and accurate cutting. As you can see here, the cutter is reading the ID cut marks in each corner of the sheet before cutting. This is because when using a cut sheet, you can load the media any way around. It doesn't need to be in the same orientation that it was printed in. The ID cut marks tell the cutter which way round the sheet is and automatically adjust the cut path to match. Circle cut, square cut, or contour cut. The CG130AR cuts all these stickers with ease. You can see the stickers are not falling out because we use a feature called half cut. This will leave tiny tabs in the main sheet so the stickers don't end up on the floor. So now we have our sheet from the super fast Mimaki CG130AR cutting plotter. The half cut feature keeps the stickers in place until ready to be removed, and this can be done with ease. No pulling or tearing, just a gentle tug and they release completely from the sheet. Now let's talk about dependability of the UJV200. Because reliability isn't just uptime, it's predictability. The UJV200 reduces routine maintenance, maximizes automatic adjustments, and produces stable output, even with multi-layer. This means fewer interruptions and a much more consistent day-to-day production environment. Not only can the UJV200 print with white, but it can also print with clear ink too. This adds additional value and can be used in both matte and gloss, making clear ink a clear benefit, while offering high-value specialty graphics, privacy film, and 3-layer window graphics that keep images looking great day or night. With the same ease of use and the ability to print white without the weight, the UJV200 and ELS 170 ink consistently deliver the demands for vibrant colors, high scratch resistance, and instant curing. Print shops don't want complexity or risk. They just want predictable results without the weight. But delivering on exactly that, the UJV200 is a step up from what was your yesterday's solution. Functionality, speed, and cost savings all rolled into one. That is the very essence of the UJV200 series. I'm Rob Nelson, and we are Mimaki USA.